Hey you guys, we're here to DIY a little bag and also a little makeup box in the dollar store. So we're gonna DIY both of them. Let me get a cotton swab. Okay, so we're gonna DIY these for the bestie. Her birthday's coming up, so I wanted to send her a couple of goodies, and I thought, why not do a little makeup tray? So inside the makeup tray, I'm gonna add a couple of things that I wanted to send her. Look how cute this is. A couple of goodies that I'll be sending her for her birthday, so don't mind that. This is okay. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the sticker, and this is just a little makeup tray from the dollar store. They have a ton of these, and you just open it up like this, and that's the only thing. So we're gonna peel this off. Now when you're peeling it off, make sure you take your time. You don't want any marks left on the box. Of course, it might happen and you might have the mark left there. You never know. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the decals that I'm using. And it is for the bestie, so I thought it would be cute to write it on here. What do you guys think? Like that. So I'm gonna show you anyways. And look at, this is the tray that I put on my Amazon storefront. It holds all my tools. You guys, this is so affordable, and it holds all your tools. Go ahead, and I'll leave the link for that down below as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up. I'm gonna use my transfer tape, which is my favorite, the one with the grids. I'll leave the link for that down below as well. If you wanna go ahead and grab that transfer tape, I'm gonna leave it down below so you can go ahead and purchase it. Let's see how this comes out. Hopefully it comes out really cute. Now the bestie is kind of like angled. Make sure when you're gonna, that you you press on it at least a little bit hard. You don't want it to be it gets bubbly if you don't. Now I want it somewhere in the middle. I don't want it like at the end. I want it like in the middle. I want the bestie to show like so. Now I'm gonna go ahead and scrape it down. See what I mean? It gets bubbly if you don't scrape it down. So you see that right there. Well, you can't see it because of the camera. But now it's my job to take away that bubble. And all I'm gonna do is press that bubble all the way to the end until I get rid of it. And right now it is completely gone. So take your time when you're doing a DIY. Don't rush it. There's no need to rush your DIYs. You want to get rid of all the bubbles. You want to make sure there's nothing left, and it looks really pretty. So right there, I like the way it looks. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab it in the white, because I did kind of like a Barbie theme, but instead of Barbie it says bestie. So I'm gonna use the same transfer tape, which you can over and over again if you want to. And I'm gonna just smooth it out right there. I don't know if you guys can see the words, but I'm gonna show you real quick. We're gonna lift it, and make sure you lift all of it. Now look at right here. You guys see that? In the white. Now my job is to lay it on top. So I'm gonna get a little close, so don't mind my head if you see it. See how if you get a little close, how better it looks? Can you guys see it now? Yeah, you guys can see it. I think it came out super cute. Go ahead and scrape it down. Get rid of any air bubbles. And pull it out. And slowly too. When you're pulling these things out, you gotta pull them out slowly. And look how cool that looks. And it says besties. And I also wanted to add a couple of hearts. So I did print out 2 sizes, no, actually 3 sizes of hearts, which I'm gonna cut right now, just randomly cut. And add them all over. Now, I don't have to add them. I thought it would be cute if I did though. Let's see how that comes up. So it's just gonna be like a heart. Let's see if that lifts it. And then you just add it. You see how cute that looks? So they're just like random little hearts that I'm gonna add. Now, if it does not stick to the transfer tape, go ahead and grab another piece. If not, try to make it work. You see how cute that looks? I think it looks cute. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. With the hearts or without the hearts. I think the hearts give it a little extra. That's why I kind of wanted the hearts on here. Because I wanted that little extra. I don't know. What do you guys think? Hearts or no hearts? Now, if the transfer tape does not pick up the hearts anymore, just grab another piece. You'll be fine. And I'm gonna add one more right here. I think right here. And then I also have, do I have enough? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I can add one more if I want to. If I want to. I think I want to. I think it's gonna be right there. Okay, so what do you guys think? So if you have a bestie and you want to send her a little gift from the dollar store and let it be customized, this is a great idea. And then she could put her jewelry here, she could put her pins, she could put paper clips, she could put anything from her office desk in here, and it already says bestie. I love the way that came out. That's super cute. So if you are gonna, you can even do birthday girl, you can do whatever you want. It's her birthday, so I'm sending her a couple things. Chrissy, you know, I always have to try to customize the stuff. So I'm also gonna send her a little bag with goodies, and I thought, why not customize the bag as well? So that's what I'm gonna do. So I thought, why not do the same thing, write bestie on the bag? I thought it would complement it. We're not gonna use the same transfer tape. It already got the best of it. I already got the best of it. So I am gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut another piece. That's why I like, this is my favorite transfer tape. Just because it has the grid lines and it guides me through the whole process. That is what I like about it. I'm very clumsy. Things can come out sideways sometimes, so I like to use the grid lines to guide me. So I think this came out super cute. I'm really liking this. Look how cute. This is even great for a Barbie theme. If you're having a Barbie birthday party for your daughter, that is great as the giveaways. You can fill them up with chocolates, give them out to the girls, and they could put their jewelry in there. So it's a win-win. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna scrape this one. And now this one, I kind of want to add it in the middle as well. So I gotta eyeball what the middle is to me. So if it looks crooked to you, it's okay, but it's gonna be the middle to me. And I don't want to get it. And I like it already. So now with this one, you're gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Just press it with your hands. You don't even need that. And you're gonna slowly lift it. Slowly lift it. So because it is plastic, I'm gonna slowly lift it. Now I did the same thing. I did it in white. You could do it in any color you want. When you're writing, you could do it in black, you could do it in blue, you can do it any color you want. Now I'm gonna get in there, so give me a minute. And that came out adorable. So these little bags are at my Amazon storefront. If you want to pick them up, they come in bulks. You can use these for birthday parties, to give out your best friend, to give out a co-worker. Now I'm slowly removing this. And even like this, it looks cute already. How cute is this as a goodie bag? I think it came out really adorable. Now I'm gonna try to imitate the hearts where I put them there and add them on here. What do you guys think? I think that looks cute. So I'm just gonna try to do the same thing I did here from the hearts. And I want this one. I think this one looks way bigger. And I'm gonna do it here. That's all. You want to press on it again if you want. It's not going to come out. I think it's a really great bag. Try to use the same transfer tape just for money wise. You want to get your money. In this economy, we need to save, even if we're giving away something. If we're giving somebody something, we still got to save. Okay, so all I'm doing is trying to put it at the same spot that I did the other one. Oh my God. I'm trying to lift one, but not the other. Okay, so this one's gonna go here. And then I'm gonna add one more. Now I'm stuck with 2 more hearts. Either I can add those hearts or I can just forget about them. So this is really up to you. If you have them, use them. If you don't use them, lose them. So it's up to you if you want to add them. I think I'm going to add them because I hate wasting. You guys know me. I hate wasting paper, tissue. I reuse everything. But this does not want to stick on. So I'm trying to see if I could get it to stick on without me having to get another piece. So what do you guys think? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use them. You think it'll be like overload of hearts? And if I do use it, what would I put in? You know what? I don't want to mess it up, so I'm gonna leave it like that. I like it already. Where would I put the heart? I think it'll just be an overload of hearts. So I'm gonna just lose it. I did make extra ones anyways, just in case. Or I can use it on another project, and I'm going to put it away and do that. But what do you guys think? How did the bag come out? What is cuter, the bag or the jewelry box, or the bag? I kind of like both. You can fill them up. I think they look adorable. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm going to take a picture right now, just so I have a picture when I post it. But I think it looks cute. Happy birthday, Chrissy. I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna send you out little goodies. Of course, I'm gonna fill this up with a couple of things like liquid IV, you know, so she could stay hydrated. Let's just fill it up right now. I'm also gonna send her a whitening strip as well as a nose strip, one of my favorites. I'm gonna send her a little pen. How cute is this? With the little gummy thing, so she could unwrap that herself. I'll be sending her another liquid IV hydration pack. Oh, which one did I send you? I sent her the hydration energy pineapple one. I thought this would be great for her, and you get 6 of them in there. So let me know how that one tastes. I haven't tasted it yet. I'm gonna send her for her eyebrows as well as an eyebrow spoolie. I think that's what you call it. And that is a little gift bag. How cute is that? So I am ready to send this out to the bestie. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know which one you think is better, the bag or the makeup bag. I am loving both of them. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. I'll leave all the links down below. And until next time, bye you guys.